Okay, we're on another wild camp with my mate Dave. He's behind the camera, and we're setting off from just above Upper Hayfield. The weather's pretty decent at the moment, dry. We found a little window of opportunity up at Crowden Head. But we're going up behind Kindle End and over to Bim's Chair, the Woolpacks, and then Crowden Head. We're going to camp there for the night. So see you later. Just come up a fairly longish climb and coming up to South Head. You really follow that.
Oh, okay, yeah.
So you climb up to the top and then down basically.
Yeah.
And climb up again. See where those rocks are?
Yeah, yeah.
Edale rocks there, dear.
Oh, right, and that lump.
Yeah.
The first set of that.
The flat one.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
The steep side.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, all the side of there is Edale rocks. So we turned off just before them and that Bim Chair.
Yeah.
Right, we're just turning off from South Head now, turning well, to my right. Probably see just before you get to Edale Rocks that prominence just on my right at the top there. Not too far now, really. I reckon about 40 minutes we should be there, 45 minutes. Weather's staying still okay. We can see Kindle a little bit more now. We're just approaching No Stool now. No Stool is that rock is precariously sitting on that other rock. It looks like an anvil. That's No Stool. Various tributaries make their way off the edge here into the valley, which is creates the River No. It goes down to Upper Booth, Barber Booth, makes its way into another river down in the Vale of Eden. And after that, we've got the Woolpacks. That's they're interesting geological shapes of stone and rocks and stuff like that. And there's some interesting conservation work going on around here as well. See all these white bags been dropped by helicopter. Just heard a helicopter in the background a few minutes ago, and it looks like they've been doing some heather maintenance. It's all dead heather. Approaching the Woolpacks. This is an area on Kinder Scout. All these large blocks, square blocks, and they're supposed to be reminiscent of the old sheep fleeces when they used to pack them up into packs. We used to call them wool packs, square blocks of fleeces, and that's where it's got its name from, really. Not far beyond that is where we'll be camping for the night. Okay, right, we're at Crowden Brook now, which is actually got some water coming down it. Last time I was here, it was virtually dried up, but not too bad today. So if we need any water later, we'll, I can pop down there, Dave. Yeah, filter some. We've got some already. We've got about, well, I've got 1.5 litres nearly. What have you got, Dave?
Yeah, about the same.
About the same. So we should be all right for tonight. We need some more water tomorrow. I presume the water will still be here. Yeah. I'm just going to head up to our campsite in a minute. Well, all set up now, Dave.
All good.
Actually, when the wind blows it fills it out, doesn't it?
Yeah, yeah. It's pretty much there, I think. It just needs tweaking, doesn't it?
Yeah, not quite. Yeah.
Tension.
Anyway, we got we found the site in a bit of a mess. Litter everywhere. You're supposed to leave no traces. The supposed to be the wild campers maxim. Yeah. But we've found quite a bit of rubbish here, haven't we?
Yeah. Quite a lot.
We'll probably shift it when we leave. Put it in a plastic bag or something. Get rid of it. But we've got our brew on now. Should be boiling in a minute. This was full of rubbish as well. We've got to get rid of that as well. I'll set up in the tent now. We've had a couple of brews, our tea. It's about 8 o'clock now. Oh, 8:15, something like that. Be dark soon. Anyway, this I've pitched at this campsite, this site we've got before on 2 or 3 occasions. But I noticed now by the ground, it seems to be quite heavily used now, this spot. I know Andrew Beavers has used it and put it on one of his videos. And when we arrived today, there's quite a lot of litter about and rubbish, which we'll be collecting up in the morning. We've collected some of it already. Collect it up in the morning, take it back with us. The last time I was here, we left it as it should be left. Leave no trace. But whoever was here before definitely doesn't follow that convention. I don't think there's going to be any rain tonight. It's just cloudy. Unfortunately, I was hoping to get maybe a decent sunset or something, but unfortunately, it's quite low. Well, lowish cloud. Anyway, we got ourselves sorted now, and hey. Well, it's supposed to be the last week in August, and it's absolutely freezing up there. I think it's probably less than, 10 degrees, 12 degrees?
Yeah,
you reckon?
with the wind.
With the wind chill. Quite surprising, really. We've got, down jacket on and fleece under that. It's pretty cold. But that's the English moorlands for you, isn't it? Well, just got up. It's been windy all night. Gusts up to about 35-40 miles an hour. The tent managed to stay up. I'm in mate just about. As you can imagine, not much sleep. So I'm going to try and make a brew and get something to eat and pack up. I'll catch you later. Cheers. Well, despite the very strong wind, managed to get ourselves a brew. Aldi specials, perfect. weather, you've got to get yourself a brew, haven't you? These grab some porridge. The windshield's doing its job. None of the gale blowing. Just finished breakfast now and start to pack up. And I'll see you when we're ready to go. Well, it's been a gale, and as ever, LNT on trees. Well, the sun's getting quite warm here. That's the bag of crap collected. Some of it's our own, but not much most of it's what we found here. So we're taking that off the hill and dispose of that somewhere. But the heather's out, the clouds just, the flag's kind of gone now. Our way back, basically the same way we came. So we should be back in about, I reckon, less than 2 hours, probably.
Yeah.
Yeah, it should be. Yeah. It's most of it's downhill now, so that's all right, isn't it? Right then, so I'll finish here and see you on the next one. Bye.